4 proven ways to refresh your home. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. If you are all for refreshing your home, you are definitely on the right track. Your home should make you feel good as you enter a room. Unfortunately, with today's busy life, this is all too rare to see. Hello again and welcome back to FastKlean Channel. Please always watch till the end so you can get a bonus tip. You likely have to invest hours and hours in cleaning just to feel satisfied with the state of cleanliness about the place. As it turns out, there are a few strategic steps you can take to improve the environment at home. Try out a few of them or even all, and you will immediately feel a difference. Go for a natural air freshener. Forget about spraying around various air fresheners. The effect of these is quite temporary, and they cost money. Besides, their ingredients are anything but healthy, despite the fact they can mask an unpleasant odor. One of the rooms you might be tempted to use such a product in is the kitchen. Cooking odors linger there and can ruin the environment. To remedy the situation, simmer orange rinds and lemon slices on the hob. The pleasant aroma that fills the air will refresh the room. Add rosemary for extra power, and you will have yourself an excellent natural air freshener. Dust the living room. The living room is an area of your home meant to provide a nice place for relaxation. Sadly, it often falls victim to excessive dust, which accumulates on the curtains and upholstery. It is your job to use the appropriate attachment of your vacuum cleaner to tackle the dust on upholstered furniture. The curtains should be cleaned in a way best suitable for the type. Check out the manufacturer's instructions and then clean curtains the right way for the best result. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. The perfect smell in the bathroom. When it comes to refreshing the bathroom, you will do well to avoid commercial fresheners. These are full of nasty ingredients, which can pollute a small room. The last thing you want is breathing in pleasant but unhealthy air. Instead, you can introduce essential oils to a cotton ball and keep that somewhere in your bathroom, preferably out of reach from pets. Go with the fragrance you prefer most, and you will have a nice, fresh smell for at least 2 weeks. Acquire plants. Plants are not only beautiful to the eye, but they can further be used to freshen the environment in your home. Regardless of where you put them, they filter and clean the air perfectly. The next time you wonder what you can put in the corner, go with the reassuring green of a houseplant. Thanks for watching till the end. Hope you do enjoy and learn more important home cleaning tips and ideas from this video. And here again is your bonus tip. Have your carpets and rugs professionally cleaned. The carpets and rugs of your home truly accumulate a great deal of dust. Even if you are regular in vacuum cleaning, some amount of dust is going to remain within the carpet pile. For this reason, you should consider professional cleaning at least twice a year. Thanks to their specialized tools, the cleaners can easily remove deeply ingrained dust and perfectly refresh the room. Each of these options does wonders when it comes to refreshing the environment in your home. Utilize them as part of your domestic cleaning routine, and you will immediately feel a difference. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 6 proven ways to reduce allergens in your home. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.